our lessons, that is our problems. We did not see, I told you this chapter is very important. Can you just have a revision of those equations what I have taught you in the last class? Everyone have your lecture note with you where you have done some problems. So to have a revision of it. So next week when you come, I am going to give you a class test based on the problems alone. Problems and equation what I have taught these 2 weeks. Okay. Not theory part. I'm not asking you theory part, problems. Because there only we are lacking the marks. MCQ 3 also you lost the marks in problems. So theory I'm not going to check. So let us please remember those equation what I have written. Now you will tell me which are the equations we have written at a stretch. Those ones. Clear? Okay. So I'll start with Anjali Priya from the board itself. Anjali, then Gauri, Srihari, like that. So Anjali, what's the equation for work done?
mg.
MGH. Okay. Gauri, there, which is the another equation when angle theta is mentioned. What is the work done in that?
Fs cos theta.
Fs cos theta. Okay. Those who did not write, you can copy it down. I'm just opening this one. Easy board. Srihari, another equation.
Force into displacement.
Force displacement. So we have work done Fs. Then MGH is used when object is at a particular height. Work is done. Then suppose you are pulling a trolley back in the airport at a angle and moving forward. Then it is Fs cos theta. Okay. After Srihari, next person is Dominic. Dominic, can you tell me the equation of kinetic energy? So this is the first equation you have learned. Then second set of equation related to energy. Kinetic energy equation. Can you tell me? Kinetic energy is the energy in motion. Dominic, if you don't know, you can just tell ma'am, I don't know. Tell me. At least open that and tell me, ma'am, I don't know the answer. Because otherwise I will be waiting for your answer. We will be losing the time. Kinetic energy, when an object is moving with the velocity p and mass m, then what is kinetic energy? Emerin, what's your answer? Because you have already completed your MCQ 3. We have learned that.
Mama, I don't know.
Okay. Justin, what's the equation for kinetic energy, Justin?
K is equal to 1 by 2 mv.
Yes. 1 by 2 mv squared. Sometimes I may not ask you what is half mv squared. I will ask you, express the relation of energy connecting mass and velocity. The question is like that. Express the energy relating mass and velocity. So from that equation, you should understand that I am asking this equation, relation, expression, equation. So what is the type of question? Express the relation of energy connecting mass and velocity. So if that question comes, you have to give me this answer. That is kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Okay. So next, Atulya was here after.
Yes, ma'am.
Atulya, what is the second equation? Potential energy.
MGH.
Yes. Potential energy, MGH. Okay. And we also learned that energy is the capacity to do work. Therefore, energy also is equal to work done. That means this all equation is equal to work done. Fs, mgh, Fs cos theta, half mv square, mgh. All these equations are equal to work done. But we use that depending upon the situations. Okay. Suppose in the question I mentioned force and displacement, you will use this equation. If I ask you the work done and I am giving only mass and velocity, then you should use this equation. Got it? It goes on like that. Clear? Okay. Then third set of equation, what we have learned is Sriram Bhagat, power. What's the equation for power? You are here after Adulya. There is
Ma'am, I don't know.
okay. Behind Sriram, Gavri. So well, do you remember the equation for power?
Weight into time. Weight by time.
Huh? And then
Something by time. Like that.
something by time. Power means what? So well, if you want to do
Uh,
okay, children, there was a power failure. Okay. Okay, Sobal, I am coming back to you. Something is divided by time. Okay. Sobal, if you want to do the work, what you should have, Sobal?
work.
Work. So, power means what?
Done by
Work done by time. So, that's correct. Okay. So, easy body is disappeared. Okay. So, power is equal to work done by time. So, every day I told you I will be repeating this set of equations because this chapter is important. Now we will do one problem. Okay. So, every day there will be questions I am asking from this set of equations till we okay with the problems. So 3 is equal to power is equal to work done by time. Therefore, what is work done? Abin? Abin? Abin is here. I saw him somewhere here. Okay. Shall I ask you? I can't see him. Oh, Kshetra, power is equal to work done by time. So what is W? From that equation, how can you find out the work done? Power is equal to work done by time. Therefore, work done is equal to what? From this equation only. You have to give me answer. Don't waste the time fast. Abin, can you give me answer? P is equal to work done by time. Therefore, work is equal to?
P into T.
Yes, P into T. That means you are getting one more equation to find out the energy. Actually, we are using this is in terms of electrical energy, this equation. Okay. So shall we do one problem now? So far. So write the question. This is all. Did you do this question 1000, an electric heater? The textbook, it is there. An electric heater of power 1500 watt. Did we do that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, we have done that. Okay. So shall we go to another question? The NCRT exercise. Did you do this one? Find the energy in kilowatt hour consumed in 10 hours by 4 devices. Did we do? Anyone?
No, ma'am.
Okay, so we will do the next question. Find the energy. I think we have not done. I done in 9A, I think so. Find the energy in kilowatt hour. In kilowatt hour consumed in 10 hours. 10 hours by 4 devices. By 4 devices of power 500 watt each. Find the energy in kilowatt hour consumed in 10 hours by 4 devices 500 watt each. Okay. So, Srihari, can you explain this problem?
We have to find the work done or the energy.
Energy.
We can use the equation power into time.
Okay. So, we have power into work done by time. What is the power is given here, Sania? Power. How much is given to us in the question?
Kilowatt.
No. My question is, what is the power is given in this question? The number, the value.
4.
4 devices
10,
of
10
hours is
time.
time. 4 devices of
500 watt.
That means from this what we understand, there are 4 devices. It can be one fan, it can be a bulb, it can be other 2 equipments. So each device has a power of 500 watts. So what will be the total power of 4 devices? Total power for 4 devices. What is your answer going to be?
4 into 500.
4 into 500. Why? Because it is given 4 devices of power 500 watt each. So, understanding this question, word by word, you should know the English. What do you mean by 500 watt each? That means each device has 500 watt. So, you will get 4 into 500, 20. Okay? 5 into 4, 20. So, you will get 2000, no? 2000 watt. Now we can substitute. So 2000 watt is equal to work done is equal to 10 hours. It is working 10 hours. Therefore, work done, that is what we said, energy. Energy is this is what I told you. Some situations we take it work done as energy. So this is one type of situation. So work done, energy is the capacity to do work. So energy is equal to, simple, no? 200 into 10. How much?
20,000 watt.
20,000 watt hour. But we have not completed our question. Your question is find out in kilowatt hour. That means you need to convert the watt hour into kilowatt hour. Now, what is the relation kilowatt hour and watt hour? 1 kilowatt hour equal to how much watt hour?
1000.
1000. Because 1 kilowatt is equal to 1000 watt. Therefore, 1 kilowatt hour is equal to 1000 watt hour. Therefore, our answer should be next line. Energy in, this will be 3 marks question. Energy in kilowatt hour is equal to 20,000 divided by 1000. And finally, you are getting an answer.
20 kilowatt hour.
Yes. Okay. So this is what I told you. You have to learn the equations. Okay. Yes. So we could not complete more problems, but like this problems, I will be giving you in the next class. There is a revision test connecting these equations and this type of problems, 1 or 2 like this. Maybe I can change the number and I will give you, and as well as SI units of work, energy, power. Only this. I don't want you to learn the question answers. This equations, this type of conversion problems, and this, that much. Okay. No theory for revision test. Okay. Thank you.